Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings, find Apps or Installed Apps, and immediately locate any entry named Text Recognition, OCR, or Scanner. Once found, tap into its permissions and revoke camera and storage access so the service cannot read images. Also check accessibility. If an accessibility toggle is active for text scanning, switch it off. These first steps stop background scanning quickly and block the app from accessing content it needs to run. Next, open the camera app and go to Camera Settings. Many Tecno phones expose text scan or recognition toggles here. Switch them off. After that, open Accessibility Settings and ensure any scanning or reading services are turned off. These can run even with the app disabled. Then return to App Info for the OCR/text recognition app. Force stop it and clear cache to remove temporary triggers. Once done, you reduce residual activity and finish by rebooting your Tecno so system services reload without the recognition module active. After restart, test by taking a normal photo. You should not see text highlights, copy suggestions, or a scan prompt. If recognition still appears, make sure Google Lens or any third-party scanner is disabled and clear camera app data. Sometimes cache or secondary apps re-enable scanning. If problems persist, consider uninstalling updates for the OCR app or contacting support before any factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.